I'm so excited to show you my Montessori space at home. A lot of people ask me this question, how they can set up Montessori at home. Well, it's not that hard as you think. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I have set up Montessori space to create learning environment for my children at home. So watch this video till the end for more exciting things. Stay tuned. Welcome to my parenting channel. This is a free resource for all the parents who are looking for the tips on how to raise their kids. Well, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming videos. I'm so excited to help you to become the best parent as you can. Thanks for joining me. Let's get started. If you like to set up the Montessori at home for your child, no worries, I've got you covered because I have created a step-by-step guide on how to set up Montessori at home for free. So check out the link in the description box below to get your freebie today. I wanted to create a beautiful and calm Montessori space for my son. So I have created a floor plan on piece of paper. While doing that, I was thinking about the different work areas which should be functional. At the same time, the room should be spacious so that my son can roam around and do the different activities. So first of all, we created a list of furniture that we need to set up Montessori. So we went to IKEA to shop around the kid-friendly furniture. It's the best place to find good things on a budget. So we went to kids section to find furniture, toys, accessories which will help us to set up the Montessori room. My kids were so excited in this process, and they were every stage they were showing the interest and participating the way they can. So it's really great to involve your kids in this process and take their opinion and choices to understand how they would like to have their playroom so that they can enjoy the space the most. So I went through their kids inspiration room to get ideas which I can incorporate in our Montessori playroom. So after we bought all the furniture that we need for the room, we started setting up the room. I wanted to use this cubicle, so I thought of using it for the Montessori. After setting up the cubicle, we started assembling the furniture that we bought from the IKEA. So I bought this EASEL from IKEA. It has two boards. One is a blackboard and other is a whiteboard, as well as for the art. Assembling the furniture was very easy. So if you like to know how to set up IKEA furniture at home, just check out the link in the description box below. So it's perfect in size as my toddler can easily write or draw on this. When you set a Montessori room at home, the idea is to encourage your child to be independent and learn the life skill. So Playroom provided opportunity for your child to learn and experience the same. So while setting up the Montessori room, please make sure that all the furniture is child friendly and things are easily accessible for your child. Next thing was on our list to build a dresser for my son so he can grab easily his clothes. For our son's safety, we secured the dresser to the wall, so as all the necessary tools came with the IKEA furniture. So all the products which I have used to set up the Montessori room, I have provided the link for the same in the description box below. So I wanted to create the cozy and comfortable reading space for my son where we can spend a quality reading time together, especially during night time. So while roaming around in the children's inspiration room in IKEA, we came across this bookshelf. I liked it, so we bought two of them and we placed in two different places so that I can categorize the books as per the different work areas. So next we set up the workstation for my son where he can sit comfortably and enjoy doing his activity, and I can observe him to understand how much he has progressed. So we bought this table and chair from the IKEA. It's lightweight and it's very easy to assemble. I was waiting for the one item from the IKEA. It was out of stock and finally it arrived. My kids were excited and wanted to help, so we gave them small tasks to do. After assembling the kitchen, we added a shelf so that he can access his stuff easily, and last but not the least, some decorative stuff So I got these beautiful frames from the dollar store. These are the wooden frames with no glass, so this is just perfect for Montessori decor, which I was looking for. I'm happy with the way they turned out. So finally, it's the moment of reveal. I'm super duper excited to share with you how it turned out. What do you think? Let me know in comments down below. So 3, 2, 1, here we go. Montessori at home for your child, no worries, I've got you covered, because I have created a step-by-step guide on how to set up Montessori at home for free. So check out the link in description box below to get your freebie today. So we all enjoy the process of setting up the Montessori for my son. My kids are super duper excited the way it turned out. So what do you think about it? Let me know in comments down below, and if you have any questions related to the Montessori, please let me know in comments down below. Suggestions and feedback is welcome. Check out my ICAREBABY Parenting Amazon store for my favorite Montessori products. The link is in the description box below. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get the update on my upcoming videos. See you soon.